foolproof glass lens cleaning solution. I use 70% isopropyl alcohol. It's less caustic, and I use a half a cup of that. I use purified drinking water, and I fill that up to 1 cup or 8 ounces. It has no impurities in it, so it doesn't leave any residue. And finally, I use the gold standard for cleaning glasses, which is a great surfactant. It's Dawn, and I use 1/4 teaspoon of this and then put that into the solution, mix that up. Creates a little bit of a blue tint. It makes it look very pure. I like to use small vials like this 5cc perfume vial that I get off the internet. This is a 10cc vial that fits nicely into a glass case. So I take the solution and I pour it into the vial. This will last quite a while. Then I snap the sprayer in, and this has a cap on it. They take the cap off, and this is then used to just spray small amounts of the cleaner onto your glass lenses on both sides like that. And this cleans up very quickly and leaves your lenses bright and shiny.
What you doing, Pops?
Oh, I'm just cleaning your glasses.
Thank
My new
you.
formula for cleaning eyeglasses.
That's wonderful. What's the formula?
It's half alcohol, half water, and several drops of Dawn detergent.
Fantastic. I can't wait to
these
try.
and see what you think.
Thank you, Pops. Let's see. Perfect.
I hope this is helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you do, press the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.